How do I register for an 8-week course at the Tulane School of Professional Advancement? Before you register, make sure to check in with your academic advisor to ensure you're scheduling the correct courses and taking on a course load that will set you up for success. To register for classes, you'll log in to the Tulane schedule of classes at classschedule.tulane.edu. Once you've logged in, use the term filter in the top right corner to select the term you're enrolling in. Select the open status so that you do not see closed courses in your search results. Narrow your search further by selecting the part of term. For this example, I am scheduling 8-week term fall courses. Fall Term 1 is the first 8 weeks of the traditional fall semester, and Fall Term 2 is the last 8 weeks of the traditional fall semester. If you know your course code, you can also type that into the course search bar, or leave that box blank to see all the courses available within the term. If you'd like to filter your search to include only undergraduate or graduate level courses, use the level filter. Now that your filters are set, click Professional Advancement Only to view the list of courses. Click the Add button next to the course you would like to add to your planner. Once you've added all the classes you need in the term you selected, you can go back to the search page by clicking the Search tab on the top left of the screen. You can now choose a different part of term and add classes from that term to your planner. Once you've added all your courses to the planner, you are ready to register. Click the green Continue button under the course cart, or click the Register Add/Drop tab. This will bring you to the registration page. On this screen, all of the courses in your current planner will appear. You will now see to the right of each course listing a drop-down menu that will allow you to add, remove, or if available, waitlist the course. All restrictions or conflicts will appear below each class on the registration screen. If these warnings appear and you decide not to add a course from your current planner, you may remove the class from the drop-down menu or click the trash can icon in the course cart. Once all conflicts have been resolved and you are ready to register, click Submit Registration at the bottom of the page. Then click Submit to confirm the change. You are now registered. If you wish to make further changes, refresh the page, then make the changes. Be sure to click Submit Registration again after all changes have been made. The Current Schedule tab will display all courses that you have successfully registered for or waitlisted. And that's all there is to it. You are now registered for your 8-week courses at the Tulane School of Professional Advancement. If you have any questions about your schedule, course options, or run into any issues during registration, reach out to your academic advisor. They're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on this term. Roll wave!